Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Shivit Singh Rana and I am going to demonstrate Group 71's socket project, six card golf. Okay, so we have a few terminals open. Let's go ahead and go to the correct directory. Now let's try running our tracker. Okay, so now our tracker service is running on the port number 36500. Now we can go ahead and add users just like we did in our milestones. Now we are given the same prompts of the IP address, the tracker port, and the client to tracker port. Finally, the client port, and there is a name. Okay, now let's also register this player for a game. Mm, Okay. Okay, we'll do the same for one more user. So let's go ahead and now let's register this user as well so that we have enough players to start our first game. Yeah, now if we try to query players, let's see. Yeah, it shows a list of two players and it's there it says that their state is free, which means that they're not in a game yet. So when okay, let's do one thing. Let's add one more user. Um, okay, now if we try to start a game, let's see. First I'll try to query and check if any games are active right now. So here you see the result. There's no games active right now. Now if I try to start the game with the player tag here says who do you want to assign as the dealer? So let's say I'll just hmm, I guess I'll just say Raj, and then I can specify the number of players. So let's keep it to one more player. So there's the dealer and one more player. So there's total of two players. And for the holes, let's make it six. So the game will go on for six turns. Okay, now you can see that the result is a success and the game has started for the dealer Raj and the player to be selected, which is mostly randomly selected in the code, is Stan. So now these two players are assigned as in play state. So if you, let's say, if you try doing a query for players, yeah, so two of them, the ones who are in a game, are right now in play, and the other player is free. So, if with that player, if I tried to query for games and looked it up, it will show us the result that, yeah, one game is currently being played. The ID, the dealer, the players who are involved, and the number of turns that are left. Finally, if I try to start a game while there's less number of players, so let's say we have one free player, right? Which is player, yeah. So now if I do, let's say, do five holes. Yeah, so you can see that it shows that there's not enough players. But if I were to register one more person, actually I should do that from here. Let's register them again. And let's put in their ports. Okay, now if I were to look for a game, let's say start a game, and we set 1 and 7. Okay, so there's another game that just started, which is game number 2. Now if we query for games, yeah, we can see both the games that are currently active and the number of turns remaining with the players and the dealer's information. Now, if I were to deregister, I could just say, let's deregister the player. Yep, players removed, and they'll be removed from the game as well. Okay, so that was my demonstration for the final socket project. You can find all the other details inside the documentation that we provide. Thank you for watching, everyone.